Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to do the half double crochet stitch. This is 5 rows of that stitch, so stay tuned to learn how to half double crochet. For our first step, we're going to make a slip knot. We make a slip knot by placing the yarn over our forefinger, and then we're putting the hook beneath the yarn, turning it all the way around, yarn over, and pull through that loop. Now we have our slip knot. And for this we're going to do 15 chains. So we're doing a chain by putting the hook beneath the yarn and pulling through the loop. That's our first chain. Again, the hook beneath the yarn and pulling the yarn through the loop. That's our second chain. I'm doing 15 of those. So now that we have 15 chains, we're going to make 2 extra chains at the end, which will serve as our first half double crochet in our row. That's 1, 2. Now to do this is 2 chains that will serve as a half double crochet for a row. But to make a half double crochet, we're going to then first yarn over. We're putting the hook beneath the yarn and putting the hook into the third stitch away. So that's the 15th stitch from our chains, the 15th chain. Now that we have 3 loops on our hook, we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So now we have 2 half double crochets. All right, so that is the hook beneath the yarn, putting the hook through the next stitch, yarn over once again and pulling through, so that we have 3 loops on our hook. Then yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. So yarn over, hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. And we're going to go ahead and do that until we're at the end of our row. Once you're at the end of your row, you should have 16 half double crochets. This is what my work looks like. From here we're going to do our second row. So we did our first row of half double crochet, we're going to do a second row. We're going to do that by chaining up 2, which would serve as our first half double crochet for our next row. And we're going to turn our work, and now to go ahead and do our half double crochets. So yarn over, we're putting the hook through the next stitch here, we're skipping this first stitch and going into this stitch. Then we yarn over and pull the yarn through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Sorry. me do that again. Yarn over, hook, skip this stitch, skip the first stitch, I'm going into the second stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So now we have 2 half double crochets. Yarn over, hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. And we're going to do that until we get to the end of our row. Now that we're at the end of our second row, I'm going to continue, maybe I'll make about 5 or 6 rows, and I'll come back and show you guys what my work looks like. Okay guys, so I finished my 5 rows and this is what my work is looking like. So 1 2 3 4 5. And so now you should be able to do a project consisting of half double crochets. You can also check out my video on how to do single crochets, and you can incorporate the 2 stitches in your work. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!